Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning on and prepping your gear. Enable the camera's GPS/location tagging option and confirm firmware is current. Make sure your battery is above 50% and move to an open area with clear sky. Buildings block satellites. Once done, sync the camera clock to your phone or a GPS time source so timestamps match. This prevents later geotag mismatches. You now have the prerequisites and the first actionable steps ready to acquire a stable satellite fix. You wait patiently while the camera acquires satellites, typically 3 to 10 minutes for a reliable fix. If available, enable assisted GPS or connect the camera to its companion app. This downloads ephemeris data and speeds the process. Once you see a lock indicator, set interval logging. Choose continuous, everyone's, or a 1/30 min rate depending on motion. Make sure to minimize movement and avoid metal or heavy foliage during acquisition, so the fix remains stable for accurate geotags. You can now shoot with GPS enabled. Verify by checking the camera's GPS indicator or reviewing coordinates in the photo EXIF on your camera or computer. For moving subjects, pick faster logging intervals. For still scenes, pick power-saving intervals to conserve battery. If you don't get coordinates, reattempt a fresh satellite fix in open sky and restart the camera. As a fallback, record a GPX track with your phone or manually geotag images later. That single troubleshooting tip recovers nearly all failed GPS shoots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.